Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm back with another video. So this time guys, I'll be unboxing Astrok's 99 Play. So this is from JJ Sports and yeah, there's like a thing there. But I think it's the delivery's fault, not like the shop itself. So don't blame the shop. I mean like sometimes they accidentally hit it and stuff, but yeah, let's rush and look at it. It might be broken or something. Yikes. You see that hole? Dang. Anyways, let's continue. I'm actually like waiting for a while to upload the video, guys. So I'm very sorry if I didn't come back that long. So yeah, there you go. Let's look at this beauty. Sorry guys for my sudden boost of like mood, cause like I did got in the intro, so like I'm quite sad and excited at the same time. But yeah, I mean there's always a next year, so like I we wait for the next year incomes. Anyways, let's now look at it.
Oh, so this is quite hard.
Oh, it's taped. My bad. So wait guys, I'm just gonna get my scissors. I'll be I'm back. So now let's cut it. I'm quite excited for this racket because I need to try it because they say
It's good for beginners. But this is a low-end racket if you all are wondering. So Yonex actually developed like these three types of rackets. There's display, game, tour, and the pro. With the pro being the highest of.
them, which is a very high-end racket. So moment of truth, it's good, bro. Thank goodness. It's in good condition. And the wrapping is not what I'm expecting because when I ordered back then it wasn't like this. Oh no, actually it's like this, but like yeah, they. So this is a legit racket guys. So this is your Astrox 99 Pro. It's quite beautiful, wait. Actually let's remove it from the plastic first. There you go. Wait, what the hell did I just? There you go. Damn. Anyways, so yeah, guys, I also ordered this from them. It cost like around 200. So I'm gonna try these strings out, and I'll let you guys know. But like, I've heard the review of this is very good. It like keeps tension very high, and it's good at. I mean, it's good at keeping tensions, and it's good for control and power at the same time. And it's like the repulsion is strong, I guess. So I ordered like a black, and then I ordered the wait there the red one. So the red one is for this white, and then the black one is for the Apex that I've ordered, the blue one. Oh yeah guys, if you're wondering, remember my Finapi, which actually it broke already, so like I'm quite sad. That's why like I ordered this. So yeah, let's look at it. So this is how you know it's legit. It's like dark colored, and then can see that the logo is quite uh, yeah, it's painted well, but it doesn't have the Japan here. Don't worry, this is a play, so it really has that. Then you have your hologram here. Wait, let me try to focus. There it has a hologram there, so you can also know by looking at the hologram. And yeah, there's also this is by the way the tension and stuff. So it's 20 to 28 tension. That's a recommended tension for it. And it's 9 to 12 point kg, 5 kg. It's quite heavy there. Oh no, I think that's the tension, my bad guys. So yeah, it's like for you G5. It's like quite a light rocket, but I can really feel the head. It's quite heavy now. Yeah, it's quite heavy. It's like quite hard to move as well. But yeah. So guys, I'm only gonna review the rocket itself, and I will try to let you know if it's good or not. I mean, for me it's quite worth it. Like a lot has been recommending me this, and look at that, bro. That's huge. I think this is an assist bumper right there. Right there. Comparing it to the two. Then, oh shit, my bad. Comparing it here. Yeah. It's good. So yeah guys, this is the Astrox 99 Pro. It looks good. The paint job is quite neat actually. It's like comparable to the um Pro series. And then you can see there, you can scan this guys and let them know. Yeah, you can also put the code here. It's like a Sunrise type of rocket. I mean from Yonex. There you go. It's good. So far it's good. And I'm gonna keep these stickers and then yeah. So guys, in the next video I'll teach you on how you can put your sponge grip. But yeah, I wish to play with it soon. So like, oh, you can see there, bro. You can see like right here. It's like, you see that? It's changing color. It's, yeah, this is how you know it's legit. And then you look at here, you should see the, here it should be lasered where you can feel it. Yeah, it's lasered, bro. It is lasered. Yeah. So that's how you, that's another way to know if your Yonex is legit or not. But I'm gonna also put a legit check next after I gripped it. And yeah, so let's look at it for a while. There, you see there's like the black here and then white stripes here. So this is called the Astrox 99 Play White Tiger. Then it says there, wait, there you go. It says there, rotation generator system. Then the isometric right there. You see, and then like you see the logo there. Also, the logo should be, yeah, it's legit because like you can tell the logo is like, yeah, there. Compare it. It should look like this. As you can see, it is legit, bro. It's quite nice. And then let's see, is it flexible? Oh, it's in the stiff side, but it's quite flexible. It's like around 8 to 9 in apex. Yeah, it's stiff. I mean, it has a bit of bend in it, so like it's quite good. So yeah, guys, this is the beauty right here. And then it also says there Astrox. Yeah, there you guys. Let's admire it. Yeah. So after after I reviewing this, let's now review this. Um, yeah. Wait. I think I should just open it and then yeah. Let me try. Cause like I could just, I'm gonna restring it tomorrow actually. So like yeah, I'll try to play with it sometime. They say this has like very good string. Wait, let me see. Oh, it's quite slippery, bro. I don't think this is for control because like it's, the string is slippery. But yeah, I think it's still gonna work because like it's 0.66 weight. It says right there. 0.66, 10 meters or 33 feet. So yeah, I really recommend this shop. I will send the link below. The string and the rocket. But yeah, it's good. Overall, it's quite good. Then it, you can look at the stats here if you want to. There you go. It's more on the durable side, it said, but like yeah, it said it can last for like 3 months or so, or longer actually, from the reviews I've heard. But I'll try that myself. I'll try to make it last like long. Then there you can read those. There you can read those, and then there. So that's the string, and this is the rocket. So our main price here is the rocket, where I will show you. Yeah, I just shown you. So I'm not very knowledgeable when it comes to this rocket, but like I can see this. So yeah, I'll just say what this is. But like I think this is an assist bumper. Also, they say this is good for smashing and for lifting, but yeah, I'm gonna try that out. So hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to stay tuned, and yeah, I'll send the link below. So I would say I do recommend it, but like next time maybe like put the long stick case. not some bubble wraps. But I think bubble wraps will do, but like personally I do prefer those. So here you can see the plastic. Also, this is from Sunrise, by the way. So like, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Also, I'll now do the next video, guys, for on how you can grip the sponge grip. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to stay tuned. And as always, Rob says Doctor signing off.